Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about Microsoft Rewards. So I'm going to teach you how to use them, what are them, and basically what can you get out of them. So the first thing you want to do right now is go with this one. On this website, rewardsbing.com. So once you're in here, you're going to see this landing page. So you're going to see up the front right there that it's all about rewards. These are going to be your available points. This is auto redeem, today's points, and streak count. So the first thing you want to do is log in. As you can see right there, I'm currently logged in. And there is a strict protection option just for members exclusive. You hear me right? There is a member exclusivity option right there and a subscription plan. And you're going to see a lot here. A lot of things are happening on this option. So first, how can we get them? What are they and what can you get out of them? So first question is, how can you get them? So basically, these are going to be a daily task where you can get them. As you can see, there are some plus 10 on each of them. Some are 5, some are 10. So for the 5 options, supposedly they're just going to be on Bing. So if you don't know about Bing, Bing is going to be a search engine created by Microsoft. It's just like Google, but a little bit different, just a little bit. So to get this plus 5, plan a trip. So if I click take a look right there, it will take me to Bing and it will take me to Venice. So I type right here, I'm going to type flies to Venice, Italy. It will open it right here. Now open it up. You don't have to book it actually. You don't have to pay for it. You just need to search for them. So I'm just going to leave for this one. I'm going to click right there. Wait for it to open it up. And then I'm going to go back to Microsoft Rewards. And as you can see, there is going to be a plus 5 right there just by searching it up. You have to use Bing. That's why they're giving points just to use Bing. Same deal with dinner ideas. So if I click on explore recipes right there, I'm going to click this right here. How about this one right there? Now, if I go back here, I have plus 5. And that's it. That's how you get them. Now, next question, how can or what can we get out of them? So, the rewards are going to be here. There's going to be a lot of rewards. Some of them are going to be Robux. Some of them are going to be gift certificates. Some of them are going to be in-game gift certificates. And that's it. So there are going to be a lot depending on your area. On my end, these are restaurants on my area. So it really depends on your area of residency. So going back on the landing page, next question is, what are or how much can you get out of them? So currently I'm level 1. To get to level 2, you need to have 500 points in a month using an active account. As you can see right here, the level 2 Bing search benefits sum of 90 points on PC and 60 points on mobile. You can also use your mobile devices for this one. You have a points breakdown and redeem points right here. If I click on that one, these are the points that I can redeem. As you can see right there, I already have some few points that I can redeem, but I'm saving it up for these guys right here. Well, that being said, that's gonna be it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.